Welcome to class, everyone. Today's explainer tackles the famous bubble sort algorithm. Let's get started. Our objectives today: building a bubble sort using both pseudocode and Python. Let's do this. Imagine organizing a totally messy music playlist just by comparing two songs at a time. First, some quick vocab. An algorithm is just the specific instructions we follow until everything's sorted. Next up, pseudocode. It's our planning language. Looks like code, but your computer literally can't run it. High-level programming means using executable languages your computer actually understands, like Python, Java, or C++. So think of pseudocode as your rough draft, and high-level programming as your polished final essay. Check out this pseudocode draft. See that while loop? It runs until our list is perfectly sorted. To summarize the logic, compare two items side by side. Swap them if the first is larger, then repeat. Now, translating that rough draft into actual Python code requires setting up variables and nested loops. Boom! Watch that logic in action as our messy input array magically transforms into a perfectly ordered list. So the Python steps are: define the function, loop through your range, and swap using a temp variable. Why does this matter? Well, think back to the early 2000s digital music streaming boom. Platforms suddenly had to search tens of millions of files fast. Efficient sorting algorithms made that possible. All right, class, close those laptops. It is time for a rapid-fire 3-question pop quiz. Ready? Question 1. Based on today's lesson, what is the main purpose of writing pseudocode? Time's up. It's a planning tool to draft your logic before writing the actual high-level code. Question 2. In our bubble sort algorithm, what exactly happens if the first value is larger? You swap them. That simple little swapping action is literally the beating heart of this algorithm. Final question. Can you name 3 high-level programming languages that we defined earlier in class? Python, Java, and C++. If you nailed all 3, you absolutely crushed today's success criteria. Every digital search relies on algorithms like this one. So how ordered is your digital life?